So in tutorial number 3, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell, and how also to use the auto buy feature. To buy and sell, you don't even need to load up the main menu, but you can if you wish to. Simply load up the menu, click buy and sell, or you can just paste in the contract address of the token that you wish to buy. As you can see, I've pasted in USDC's contract address. And now I'm met with this menu, which shows the chart here, the contract address which you should double check, and the liquidity and the price. You might notice how private transactions are not applicable for the Arbitrum chain. That's because, as there's no mempool, you don't need a private transaction, as there's no risk of being sandwiched. Private transactions would only slow you down here. You can select the wallets. I've selected wallet 1. You can choose either one. Choose the buy amount. We have preset amounts here, or you can input your own custom amount here. Or you could input a token amount of which you wish to buy. Let's say I wanted to buy 0.02 ETH worth of USDC. I've typed that in and pressed enter, and instantly the swap transaction is succeeded. There you go. If I wanted to sell this, I've just clicked sell, and you're met with a very similar menu but with different meanings. Firstly, I want to approve the sell feature. There we go. So now I'm ready to sell in one click. You can choose to sell a percentage amount here, or your own custom percentage amount, or a custom token amount, or a custom amount of ETH worth of the token that you wish to sell. If I wanted to sell 20 USDC, I currently have 66.9. I've just typed in 20 here. There you go. And look, literally instantly the swap transaction has succeeded. Now let's take a look at the auto buy feature. So I've just clicked /config and headed over to the buy button. Currently I have auto buy enabled, but I don't have a buy amount set. Let's set that to 0.01 for this tutorial. Okay. Now, let's say I wanted to buy Grail, and I wanted to buy any token which matches the features that Grail possesses. A high liquidity and a high market cap, but not an obscenely high market cap. There are plenty of tokens which would allow me to do this, but for this tutorial I'm just going to use Grail. So if I set a maximum market cap of 15 million, a minimum liquidity of 500,000, this would mean any contract that I paste in which matches these criteria, I'll auto buy a 0.01 ETH amounts worth of, as I've just set the buy amount earlier. I could also choose to set a maximum liquidity of, let's say, 100 million. Okay. Sorry, that's 10 million. Okay. So I've just set a maximum liquidity as well. So any token in which I paste in that matches these criterions, I'll buy. Note, you do not have to set custom amounts to auto buy. Let me just disable all of them and you'll see what I mean. So right now, I've disabled all of them. This means that any token I paste in, I'll auto buy 0.01 ETH worth of. I'll show you that now. I've grabbed the Grail contract address and I pasted it in. I've not done anything else. There you go. You can see the auto buying button has come up. Instantly, 0.101 ETH has been swapped for 0.015 worth of Grail. This is very useful if you're on the go or if a token is just launched. You can see how much advantage you have over other users.